Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Again, I want to thank everyone out there for supporting the channel. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. For today's video, just want to talk about buying KDP here, Keurig Dr. Pepper. If you guys remember from my prior videos, there was a special dividend for the merger between these two companies. You can see now that there is a new stock symbol, KDP. I decided to jump into the stock after the ex-dividend date. I didn't want to jump in and pick up that dividend. It's a very large special dividend. There's a lot of tax consequences in receiving that dividend, and because it's not simply from the company's profits, but a return of capital, it's very unlikely that that stock will get back up to that number, $125 or so before the ex-dividend date. So I wanted to jump in after for a little bit of the trend up after the merger, and you can see up on top there, 11.45% happened yesterday after that stock started trading under the new stock symbol, but I had a lot of difficulties getting into that stock. I wanted to buy the stock in the morning. However, in the morning when I went ahead and tried to put an order in, it still had the old ticker symbol and it had a price of about $120 or so, but the stock was trading around $21 or so. So very, very difficult trying to get into the stock. I was finally able to put an order in. I bought the stock, but now you can see on the bottom there, the stock is temporarily untradeable. It's a little bit unclear what's going on here. A lot of difficulties yesterday. I was able to jump into some shares, but by the time I did jump into those shares, a lot of time had passed. I was not able to get a very good price. Take a look at the bottom of the portfolio here. Actually, you can't even see the order I put in. So very, very interesting here. Not quite sure what's happening. Again, the first problem I've had with the application in 2 years of having the portfolio on Robinhood here. But I think a lot of this has to do with the merger and the new stock symbol being published, but a lot of problems here. I wanted to jump into the stock in the morning right after that ex-dividend date. I was not able to do that, even though the new ticker symbol was up. As you can see up on top there, KDP was trading yesterday, but initially the price was still $120 some. Could not put an order in, and then the order did change. Got a few shares on the bottom there, as you can see, 25 shares, 562. But now it's showing that I'm not able to trade with those shares. So I'm hoping after the market opened with swing trade here. Again, I missed quite a bit of that 11.45% yesterday. At one point, I think it was up at 15%. So I would definitely like to jump out of these shares. Again, average cost there $21.77, but it doesn't even show the orders that I placed. I placed quite a few orders yesterday. Tried doing a bunch of limit orders because the price was off and my trades were not executing. Value up on top, $120 plus, when at that point the stock was already trading in the $20 range after the ex-dividend date, after the stock exchange had basically got rid of the old ticker symbol DPS for Dr. Pepper with the new combined company ticker symbol KDP. It was still trading for $120, even with limit orders of $25. I was not able to buy the stock, and then I was able to get into the stock. I'm not quite sure how, but now I'm not able to trade with the stock, and the order, all of the orders I placed yesterday, there's about 10 orders I placed yesterday, are not showing here. So let me know if you guys were doing something similar. We're avoiding the dividend, jumping in for a little bit of that company's rebound after the new ticker symbol was out. Again, I missed a lot of that potential. 15% or so yesterday, 11.45% yet today. But let me know. Again, one of the first problems I've ever had on the Robinhood portfolio, and there's been other stocks that have had similar mergers in the past, have never had a problem. So this was quite a surprise. And again, I was not able to trade with the stock and missed quite a big opportunity to jump in for that particular trade. But or let me know if you guys jumped in to grab that large dividend, $103.75. I kind of want to see how that plays out. There's lots of tax implications for that. And again, because that was not simply a distribution of a company's profits, it's very unlikely that that's going to be back in the company anytime soon. But either way, let me know. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, we'll see you then.